Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home. JAHJAH.
I want to recognize Mr. President, CEO, and all the other members, of course, of the JAHJAH Foundation.
At this affair, I am a volunteer of JAHJAH, that's number one.
This proud collaboration between the Ministry of Health and Wellness and the American Friends of Jamaica, JAHJAH Foundation, will reset the lives of many mothers and their newborns.
We appreciate JAHJAH.
All right,
Yeah.
JAHJAH, you said that so nice. Say it again, we appreciate
JAHJAH.
Oh, I love it.
We really embrace the collaboration, the partnership, and on behalf of the people of Jamaica, I say a big thank you to AFJ and JAHJAH Foundation.
Grateful how thankful we are for the support of AFJ, JAHJAH Foundation, and all the other team members behind making this happen.
Dr. Trevor Dixon, founder and CEO of JAHJAH Foundation.
And it's lovely to kind of see all of the support from the diaspora, both through the JAHJAH Foundation and through the American Friends of Jamaica.
You know, partnerships are really what get things done. So to the Ministry of Health and Wellness, JAHJAH Foundation, the doctors, and as we said, always the donors.
Please help me welcome Dr. Trevor Dixon, the visionary and founder and CEO of JAHJAH Foundation, to give his remarks. We gotta clap a little bit.
Of course, the JAHJAH Foundation has been ongoing 15 years, is it? You don't look much like, I mean, you age well. You're a founder, right? You started very young, okay. But, you know, it is always more rewarding to give than to receive. So I'm sure that that's contributed to your keeping young. But the JAHJAH Foundation has been a critical part of the program. My understanding is that you have several executions this week. This is just one, which is why some of your members are not here. And I want to just especially recognize and celebrate you.
And I am so pleased that I could be a member of any group, but for some reason I'm here with JAHJAH. And I'm very pleased to see what JAHJAH has been doing.
So on behalf of the JAHJAH Foundation, the Ministry of Health and Wellness, American Friends of Jamaica, we thank everyone for joining us this morning.